In this demonstration I will show you how you can configure soft delete for blob storage so that you can recover deleted blobs. Let's switch to the Azure portal. Here I've opened the blade of the WiredBrain Coffee storage account. Let's scroll down in the navigation and under Blob Service, let's click on Soft Delete. As you can see, Soft Delete is by default disabled, so let's enable it. Here you can select for how long you want to keep the deleted blobs. The default are 7 days. You can select just a single day, or you can select up to 365 days. Let's go with the default of 7 days and let's save this so that the soft delete feature gets active. Now let's click on blobs and let's navigate to the Coffee Videos container. As you can see, we have 4 blobs in this Coffee Videos container. Now when you delete one of these blobs, the blob is not deleted but just marked as deleted. This is what you call a soft delete. It doesn't matter if you delete the blob from the Azure portal or from an application. So in our case, let's try to delete the author MP4 file from the Coffee Video Admin application and then let's try to restore it. So let me bring up the application. Let's select here the author MP4 file and under Video Actions I click on Delete Video. Let's click OK to delete the author MP4 file. Now the file is gone, let's click on Reload Videos. Yes, it's really gone. Let's go to the Azure portal and let's click Refresh on the Coffee Videos container and the author MP4 file disappeared. Now you might have noticed here this checkbox, Show Deleted Blobs. So let's check this and now you can see the author MP4 file again. When I click on the 3 dots here, I can select Undelete to restore this author MP4 file. So let's do this. Let's undelete this blob and let's uncheck Show Deleted Blobs. Now you can see all the 4 files again. Let's bring back the Coffee Video Admin application. Let's click here on Reload Videos and the author MP4 file is back. Great, so the soft delete actually worked. Let's go back to the Azure portal. Let's navigate to the WiredBrain Coffee storage account and let's disable the soft delete feature again as we don't need it in our application. One additional thing I want to mention is that this soft delete feature also extends to blobs that are deleted as the result of an overwrite. That means if you overwrite an existing blob, you will still have the old version if you have enabled soft delete in blob storage. Before we wrap up what you have learned in this module, let me show you the code to undelete blobs in .NET. If you have enabled soft delete in the Azure portal, you can get the deleted blobs by calling the list blob segmented async method and by specifying the blob listing details deleted. This will give you a blob result segment with active blobs and with deleted blobs. If you want to grab, for example, the deleted cloud block blobs from the results, you can use the offType method with the cloud block blob type and you can filter where the isDeleted property of these cloud block blobs is true. To undelete all the deleted cloud block blobs, you can iterate that collection and on every cloud block blob you can call the undelete async method. This is the way how to restore deleted blobs in .NET. Now let's wrap up what you have learned in this module.